Hi kids! Welcome to Happy Artsy Kids. Today we are going to draw a rainbow over the hill. Are you ready? First, let's draw the hills over here and here. Start from the corner, just going down like that. A curved line going down. There you go, and then let's draw another one from here to here. And there you go. Now let's draw the rainbow. I'm going to draw from here, going all the way up over there. Curved line going up, and then I'm going to draw 8 lines. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go, you have your rainbow there. And then I'm going to draw some flowers on the hill here and here. Start by drawing a small circle and then butter you upside down all around. Like that. Another one here. Like that. And another one here. Small circle. And then let's add another flower here. A circle. There you go. And then now let's add the sun here. Circle. And straight line all around it. Line, 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 line. Like that. All done. Now let's color. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.